Okay, here's the comp queue, and I must remind everyone that all that we speak about here is for educational purposes only, never to be construed as a recommendation to buy or sell anything. Please do your own due diligence. Big wild week up and down. We ended up closing above the 200 simple moving average, just very slightly above on increased volume. Not massive volume, but increased volume. We have several support levels here, which I'm going to talk about here momentarily. But before I do that, I wanted to point out that we did swiftly move down to the 200 in June. We came back up and retested the underside of it, retraced, and we're also testing it once again. As far as I'm concerned, I believe we're going to come back down. The support levels that we want to look at, the first one occurred here in June. It was June 25th. And that is at 2206. Then we have the swing low from here. This was the 20th of July at 2160. We have this double bottom here, and that appears to be around 2140. Then we have the February low back here, the swing low, and that is at 2100. And then 2062. And that is from June, and that's also a 50% Fibonacci retracement level. If we go below all of this, then we'll need to look to 2008, late September and early October, and there's a gap that occurred between 1900 and 1950 that needs to be respected. If it goes below that, then we're looking at the March 2009 low at 1265. If we go up, then we're looking at 2350, swing high from June. We're looking at May swing high at about 2430, 2435, and then all the way up here in April at 2535, which was the high. The high at 25, actually it was 2532, also is a 78% Fibonacci retracement level up there as well. There is a very, very slight bearish divergence in the peaks of the stochastics, and a divergence here, a bearish divergence in the MACD histogram, so that might bode for a fading of this move, this recent move up and coming back down. So look for this, maybe a slight bit more movement to the upside, but then coming back down. As it comes back down, by the way, the first level of support, did not mention, probably needs to be the 200, because once you break resistance, it becomes new support. So that level right now needs to be respected as well, coming back down. Well, it's a wild market out there. Really encourage you guys to remain hedged and diversified and be nimble and be careful. It's crazy out there. You can make money, but you can also lose money easily. So look forward to talking to you next week, and I wish you a good week of trading.